Perfect timing, guys. Hey guys, it's Straight Outta Content here with you, and I'm at my store, FCD Vinyl and Apparel, and we got a special guest coming today. We got Mr. Jose from Modfx, the legendary Modfx. He is here to pick up some dope merch. He's actually just texted me that he's pulling in right now. Whoa, oh, you are, watch out. So this is his merch. We're extremely happy to be able to make this for him. The fact that he wanted a Straight Outta Modfx shirt was really cool. Everybody knows this is my brand, but he wanted Straight Outta Modfx, and we also made him a custom shirt right here. This is his new logo. You can see it on his Instagram. He's really using it, and we used the DTF process to make this, so we're coming in today to check out his merch. So he said he just pulled up, so let's see what he's gonna pull up in. There it is. Mr. Modfx, how you doing, man?
What's up, buddy? How you
doing? Let's go ahead and go inside.
I thought it was a little colder outside.
Right? Oh, Miss Modfx, how you doing?
Oh, yes.
How are you?
All right, guys, let's go inside.
It's got good in here.
Oh, yeah, we tried to.
I like it.
Juicy
So-
watermelon. That's what I can
Juicy
do.
watermelon.
Here's your first shirt, and here is the new logo. You gonna go and open it up?
Stand up.
Aw, look at that. And I printed some extra ones of these in case you wanted to print some more shirts and you didn't have to wait as long. I just went ahead and printed some extra ones.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you want one too, we can make you
Oh,
one.
look.
Isn't it
Oh,
nice?
that is cool. I like
It
that.
came out really
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Came out real good.
Yeah.
My brother-in-law made it when I saw him the t-shirt. He's gonna be like, hell yeah, they came out dope. I like it.
It did
I
come out.
like it a lot.
That's a good design.
So what are you going to on Monday?
Odorama.
Oh,
Yeah, that one's kind of.
wow.
You want a shirt baby like this?
Yeah.
She wants to rock my face on it.
Are you going to it with him?
She gotta drop me off.
I gotta
Oh,
drop
okay.
it. My car was gonna be in there, but I decided not. 'Cause it's not ready.
Well, not only that, Thanksgiving weekend, and then Justin was gonna be, we were all gonna be in there, and I was like, how are we gonna get back home? Yeah.
That's funny.
Okay, hold on. How you do that shirt thing? Put it back in there. I like this one too. I was dying to get this
I
one
know.
for the time we were talking about it. Yeah, definitely what it is. These are probably gonna I'm not probably gonna put this one in the case at the shop.
Okay.
Like now,
that'd be
and then I'll wear it, but for now, because I'm pretty sure some people will be like, "Oh, what size do you have?" So I'm
Right.
gonna put it over there first. But I've been dying to have one of these.
Really?
That's why I don't want to put it out.
Okay.
Show it off.
But this came out cool. Look.
Straight out of Modfx.
Straight Outta Modfx.
Oh, okay.
From Straight Out of
Content,
Content.
right?
Right?
And then, yeah, I know you and I had talked about some other designs, so whenever you want to go over anything else, just let me know.
Yeah, you have other stuff this stuff could go on, like this stuff could go on, right? Like if I want to match up something.
Yeah, I mean, we have the stuff that we have in here, but we also have even more things. Like we have these jackets over here now. Those, we have the...
And print and stuff could go on these too. Like that.
Yeah, that logo can go on anything. So it can go on the back of that vest that you have.
On the back of this one.
Yeah, I think the ripples will kind of mess with it, but I'm just saying it can go on anything.
Okay.
And then these, we have other colors. Yeah.
Little vest. I like that.
Huh?
Your vest, your Modfx vest.
Thank you. I have a lot. I like to have the jackets and little things.
Yeah.
When we go to shows and stuff like that, like real shows, like indoor shows or out of state and stuff like that. Like to have the gear and the polos and stuff like that. This is nice, babe. I like this. Look in black and white.
Hey, that matches my car, not yours.
What can we do on this? I would like one of these.
We
What
can
do
do
you-
anything. We can
Yeah.
do the
What do you
vinyl. We
think? What
can
do you
do
suggest on
your
it? So we can do it.
direct to
A Straight Outta
film
Modfx on it on the bottom or the back of it.
Yeah.
on the back.
Or maybe something on the sleeve, maybe like Modfx on the sleeves,
Ooh,
one of
can
the sleeves.
it could be done that like that, going down the sleeve.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
All right, so I'll pay for something and design something for me on one of these.
Okay.
Okay. What size are you? What size is that?
I think that's it. I think that's the size.
This is
Because we bought them from me.
this is a XL.
What size are you? Extra large, right?
With like little jackets and stuff like this, I try to double a little bigger.
Oh, a little bigger. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Can I try this one out?
Yeah, go
Yeah,
ahead.
we-
Matches. I think for our next one, we can go a little bit bigger for the bigger size. This looks good on a medium, I think for the extra large, we might want to go bigger. What do you think?
Yeah. I'm probably gonna
little
get my
bit
brother-in-law to finish the legs.
Yeah.
And have my sneakers that he made, because he made the sneakers for the sneakers at home.
Oh,
But he
okay.
made a set of sneakers for the that matches the car. Did you see him?
No.
Oh, I
You-
did
you
see
sent
that.
it in the
Yeah,
picture?
yeah. No, it was on
it was,
his
it
IG.
was on my
Oh,
IG.
okay.
Yeah, he did a.
I think we did see it. Remember?
Can we get you guys to take pictures in your shirts next to your cars whenever you guys get back to the shop, or at the event?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
But it's, there you go.
Oh yeah, I seen those. Yeah, I seen that. I thought you meant the shoes in the picture. Like you
Oh
drew it
no!
out.
I said
That's
I would
what
put
I
the
thought.
shoes that he made with the whole thing.
Okay.
And add it onto that because it has
Okay.
the colors. Because it has the goldie color and then it has
Yeah.
almost a gray, which is more like a blue, but it's supposed to be gray, more gray.
That shit looks kind of big.
That's round.
That's what he likes to wear. Like,
Randall, you want your shirt that
It'll be
big?
fitting him good. With one good wash and dry, it'll go down a little.
yeah, he likes it
Yeah.
larger than what he is.
Comfy. He likes to be comfy.
All right, guys, so that's gonna conclude this video, this awesome video. You guys got to see Jose and Miss Modfx come through, get their merch. Sorry, it's super dark right here. Come through and get their merch. They really loved it. Hopefully we're gonna be doing some new awesome things with them, with their new line that they're gonna drop. So Modfx will be dropping a new merch line. It's gonna be cool. I don't know if I can say that, Jose, don't be mad at me for saying that, but yeah, guys, you guys just seen, they came through, they loved what they made. If you guys want something done, please hit us up. You can leave a comment down below or hit us up at fcdvinylandapparel.com. There he goes right there. Or email us at fcdvinylandapparel@gmail.com if you want us to take your brand to the next level. As always, guys, I'm hungry, so I'm about to go get something to eat. You guys be basic. Peace.
Thank you.